Today, we are going to take our understanding of the metric system and metric conversions and apply that understanding into some comparison problems. We'll start with this example. It says, which length is the longest? So right here, we have 4 different lengths. The issue here, and right off the bat, I can't make a decision because of this issue, is that I have 4 different units of measure. To make a comparison, I must have the same measure. So I need to take these and convert them so they all have that same unit. Personally, I like to typically convert all of mine into my base unit. But you can choose. You can turn all of these into kilometers if you would like, or into centimeters, or millimeters, or you can convert all of these into something that isn't even on this list, like decameters. The key is that all 4 units have to be the same. All 4 units of measurement must be the same so that we can compare them. All right, so at the top of my paper, I'm going to start by writing my little King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Kilo, hecto, deca units, my base units, in this case, meters, deci, centi, and milli. So I can convert a little more easily. I am going to convert everything into meters. I like that because it's in the middle. However, again, you can pick what you would like to do. You should get the same answer if you appropriately convert no matter what. So I'm going to rewrite just my 25 meters here. That's going to stay the same. So I need to convert these other 3 to be meters. Well, to convert kilometers to meters, I go ahead and look at my chart and see that I need to move my decimal 1, 2, 3 times to the right. So I've got 0 and 5 hundredths. I move it, my decimal 1, 2, 3. That means an extra 0 needs to get placed there, and that's going to equal 50 meters. Now, if you want to rewrite this to help you convert every single time, you are definitely welcome to do that. That is okay. We can do that for this next one. Here, we've got 8,732 centimeters. So I'm going to rewrite my King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Kilo, hecto, deca, units, deci, centi, and milli. Okay, I've got 8,732. To get from centi to my base unit of meters, I need to move my decimal 1 time, 2 times to the left. My decimal's here. I move it 2 times to the left, getting me 87 and 32 hundredth meters. And then lastly, we've got our 100,000 millimeters. So I'm moving from millimeters to my base unit of meters. I'm going to move my decimal to the left to get there. 1, 2, 3 times. So I've got 100,000. I move my decimal 1, 2, 3 times, getting me a grand total of 100 meters. Now we are looking at the same unit of measure. My first one is 50 meters, 25 meters, 87 and 32 hundredth meters, and 100 meters. So I need to decide which one is the longest, which one is the largest, the biggest number here. This one would be the smallest. It's the smallest amount of meters. And this right here would be your biggest. So that is my longest length. Again, the key to comparing our units is that we have all the units the same. If I have a measure of units that don't match, I cannot compare them appropriately. So I want to convert them all and make my decision once they are the same unit.